it's Holly here and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creative tutorials like this one. Today I will show you how to make these beautiful crocus flowers from crepe paper. A wonderful and easy project that's perfect for any season. Before we begin, make sure to grab the template from my website at florishly.com. Each template includes a detailed guide with all the information you'll need from tools to materials. So if you're ready, let's get started and craft something special together. Start with a stamen template. Cut out a piece of crepe paper and stretch it as much as possible to give it a delicate texture. Once stretched, cut out the shape of the stamen again. Continue trimming along the template to create 6 individual stamens. Next, use the sepal template. Secure it with a paper clamp, then carefully cut out the sepal shape. Finally, cut out all the petals and leaves, following the templates to ensure precise shapes and sizes for each piece. Take each individual stamen and twist it gently to create a realistic shape. For the petals, stretch them gently to form a natural inward curve. Then move on to the leaves and shape them outward for added dimension. Before assembling, attach a small piece of crepe paper to the tip of your floral wire. Then you're going to use a marker to draw vertical lines on each petal, adding subtle details for a lifelike effect. Begin by attaching the stamens to the tip of the floral wire, arranging them evenly around the base. Next, add the petals. Start with the 3 inner petals, placing them closely around the stamen. Then position the 3 outer petals, aligning them so that they fill the spaces between the inner petals for a balanced and fuller look. Secure the sepal at the base of the petals, gently stretching it as you wrap it around to create a snug fit. Wrap the stem with floral tape, keeping it neat and tight. About 1/3 of the way down the stem, attach the leaves on either side to complete your pretty flower. So here's the final result. I really love them. They are so pretty. Thank you so much for joining me in creating these lovely crocus flowers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try more. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my website at florishly.com for more templates and guides. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more creative projects, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!